Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today, guys?
Alhamdulillah.
How are you today?
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Let's open our class by saying basmalah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, well, today we are going to continue our discussion. But before we start our discussion, our new material, I would like to remind to you all about our previous material. Ini ya, last week ya. Do you still remember what is our last material? Ada yang masih ingat? Do you still remember, guys?
Prinsip percakapan by Maxim.
Prinsip?
Percakapan.
Ya, prinsip percakapan by Maxim. Do you still remember how many maxims?
4.
4. What are they?
Kualitatif.
Qualitative, quantitative,
Relevance.
relevance.
And manner.
Okay, good, very good. Jadi politeness just same as almost the same with cooperative principle. How we manage our utterance to make other people comfort, gitu kan? I have an example. Please read the example, and then let's analyze together. Pas baca ini pada senyum-senyum loh. Dimas langsung senyum, Risma senyum. Why? Relate ya? Relate, ini aku nih, gitu kan? Ini aku ketika chat dosenku seperti ini nih, gitu. Udah dibaca? Sudah dibaca semua ya? Guys, do you think that this sentence is polite? No. Why that this is not polite?
Assalamualaikumnya kurang sopan karena disingkat, kemudian ada di kata jamber itu disingkat juga.
But you use this?
No.
No, yakin nih, nggak pernah WA sama dosennya jamber, nggak pernah nggak? Okay, so there are actually in this example, in this sentence, there are two kinds of speech act. The first one is Assalamualaikum, and the second one is deadline ngumpulin tugasnya jamber, gitu. Itu yang kedua. Nah, according to you, karena kita belum membahas materi ya teman-teman ya. Jadi before discussing, before I give you the explanation related to the notion of politeness, menurut kalian nih dua-duanya impolite or yang satu polite, yang satu enggak, miss, gitu? Atau semuanya all of the speech act impolite? Yang mana nih? Impolite. Both of Assalamualaikum, miss, deadline ngumpulin tugasnya jamber, semuanya impolite.
Kalau
Risma gimana, Ris?
kalau assalamualaikumnya termasuk polite, namun penulisannya termasuk impolite.
Oke, assalamualaikumnya polite, miss, tapi penulisannya nggak polite. Karena why?
Disingkat.
Karena disingkat ya. Jadi karena because the context, this is students message. Students just send a message to the lecturer ya. Jadi harusnya tidak disingkat. Gitu ya Mbak Risma ya dan Mbak Salsa ya. Oke, guys, ini kita pending dulu. Jadi saya belum mengklarifikasi the right answer. Politeness ini polite atau impolite sih gitu. Let's discuss what is polite and what is impolite. Politeness. Politeness is how people try to be polite. So, the social interaction goes smoothly. This is as I said before ya. Jadi the function is to make other people feel comfort. When we will discuss more detail about some strategies in politeness strategy. Okay, I want to ask to you all ya. For example, I will give you condition. For example, when there is a fire over there, and then you want to tell to others, what will you say, guys?
Fire, fire.
Fire, fire, gitu. Jadi cuma fire gitu aja.
Help.
Help, okay. Fire, help, gitu. Okay. Shita, fire, fire. Risma, help, help. So, then others? Itu aja. Help, then fire, fire. Okay, Salsa, Mbak Salsa. Do you think that Risma's answer and Mbak Sita's answer is right, is polite? Jadi when there is a fire and then she just scream fire, fire, gitu. Polite? Is it polite?
Polite because kan based on the condition.
Based on the condition.
Kalau minta tolong, kayaknya nggak mungkin kan panik kan, Miss.
Panik ya. Jadi okay. Jadi
When
I want to speak, for example, when I want to talk to Iqbal, gitu kan. I want to know the condition. I have to know the condition. Kira-kira nih kalau saya ngomong seperti ini, dia sakit hati nggak ya? Nah, itu mempertimbangkan aspek itu. That's we called as politeness. Gitu. Do you get the point, guys?
Yes.
Paham ya? Jadi, okay. Iqbal, what do you think about positive politeness?
Positive politeness is a good utterances. I think it's a good utterances, Miss.
Good utterances.
Utterances.
Okay, good utterances. Positive politeness ya. Jadi positive politeness means good utterance. Gitu. Dan negative politeness, what is negative politeness?
Negative politeness is a bad utterance.
Bad utterance. Can you give me example?
From negative politeness.
Negative politeness. Apa itu actually masih kurang tepat. Jadi it doesn't mean. Jadi when we talk about politeness strategies, guys, it doesn't mean that positive politeness is good utterances and negative politeness is bad utterances. Itu tidak. Jadi tidak berarti ketika yang positive politeness yang bagus-bagus aja tuturannya. Gitu. Jadi positive politeness the function. Jadi based on Brown and Levinson theory, the function of positive politeness to show friendliness, to show the intimate relationship between the speaker and the listener. Jadi to show the friendliness, to show the close relationship between the speaker and the listener, itu positive politeness. Gitu. Jadi for example, Dimas and Iqbal. Iqbal show his score. Aku dapat 375 nih. Gitu. And then Dimas just say, wow, you did a great job. Iqbal gitu. Itu maksudnya dalam positive politeness nih. Oh, dia ada keintimate. Oh, itu hubungannya antara teman dan teman. Gitu. We will discuss the kinds of positive politeness insyaallah for next week. Gitu ya. Jadi, but the general notion of positive politeness is to show friendliness, gitu kan? To show the closeness and intimacy. Gitu. Jadi, between friend itu berarti dekat nggak teman-teman? Iya. Mother and son itu menggunakan apa? Positive politeness tentu tuturan-tuturannya kan banyak gitu kan. For example, mother just ask to his son, udah makan gitu. Kenapa? Positive politeness gitu kan. Udah makan le, in Javanese there is le ya, itu udah makan le gitu, itu positive politeness gitu kan, ada kedekatan. Oh le, ini panggilan le itu kalau udah untuk apa itu rasa sayang gitu, itu ya, that's positive politeness. Do you get?
Yes, yes.
Okay, before continuing our next material, is there any question?
Yes.
No, not yet. Okay, let's continue for negative politeness. Ini negative politeness function to show that this is just the opposite from positive politeness. When positive politeness to show the intimate, to show the close relation between the speaker and the listener, negative politeness show the distance between speaker and listener. Gitu kira-kira nih. Dari sini, dari penjelasan ini, kira-kira can you give me example of negative politeness strategy?
Kalau antara mahasiswa sama dosen,
Mahasiswa sama dosen. Why do you think that mahasiswa dengan dosen itu menggunakan negative politeness?
karena hubungannya tidak begitu dekat nih, kayak mahasiswa harus menghormati dosennya. Mungkin
Students should respect the lecturer. Okay, then there is a distance ya. There is a distance. Okay, thank you, Mbak Risma. Mbak Risma said that negative politeness strategy can be used by, for example, students when speak to the lecturer, because students has to respect ya to the lecturer. Can you give me example, Mbak Risma?
kayak bisa menghubungi di chat, tata bahasanya harus bagus, kayak tidak boleh disingkat, penggunaan bahasanya harus baku, dan ditutup dengan kalimat terima kasih.
Okay, guys, do you understand?
Yes.
I have some example.
Mom, I'm sorry.
What's up, baby?
I broke a plate.
Are you hurt?
No, but the plate is broken.
It doesn't matter, baby. I'll clean it up. I'm glad you're not hurt.
Please read and analyze. This is the first example. Excuse me, sir. Would you mind repeating the explanation? You may discuss with your friend. I give you around a minute to discuss. The first sentence. Mbak Nurul, what? Negative politeness. Why do you think that this is negative politeness?
Because yang excuse me sir itu apologize.
Apologize. Excuse me, sir. Okay, yeah. Apologize by showing the respect, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Very good. Then, would you mind repeating the explanation?
Be indirect. Tidak secara langsung untuk menanyakan pada dosennya.
Okay, yeah. Alright, thank you, Mbak Nurul. Jadi, there are two kinds of strategies in this sentence, guys. Jadi, the first one is excuse me. Excuse me tadi apa? Apologize. Betul, apologize yang showing the respect. Gitu, to the lecturer ya. And then, would you mind repeating the explanation? Itu maksudnya tadi apa? Be indirect. Jadi nggak langsung ujuk-ujuk. Excuse me, sir. Repeat the explanation. Itu udah beda lagi nanti. Itu strategi kesantunan. Maksudnya yang apa? Repeat the explanation. On record. Jadi langsung nggak ada basa-basinya. Okay, good, very good. Is there any question related to the to the politeness strategies and then kinds of politeness strategy? Is there any question? Not yet. Okay, not yet. Three examples. Sorry, 3 example of positive politeness, and then 3 example of negative politeness, and the last one is 3 examples of record. Gitu ya teman-teman ya. We will discuss your assignment for next week. Jadi kita akan diskusikan bersama. You make a circle and then we will discuss your task. Gitu ya teman-teman ya. Oke. That's all from me. Inshallah, see you next week with the discussion from your assignments ya. Okay, let's close our class by saying Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next week, guys.
wabarakatuh.